if you know, if your communication is good and but you don't know about Excel, in service, in private jobs, Excel is must for everyone. To start writing at Windows plus R, then here you can write Excel, then Excel will automatically and then enter. Then Excel will automatically open. And there is the right now MS Office provided us. There is a different type of queries. How you can run pivot table, how you can start from formulas, how that is the tour of that Excel. If you open this Excel sheet,
layout of the Excel.
Yes, it is the starting layout and the first screen of the Excel. When you open the Excel from run command or everywhere, you can open this. Today I am telling about some formulas which regularly use in basic daily use formulas. Please open this, and then it's said here the create. That is the screen. Get started with formulas. That is basic formulas. How we can add. If we can add anything, there is 2 and 3. I want to add this one plus this one. 2 plus 3 is 25. That is normal starting. If we have to minus this, then you enter here minus. If you have to multiply this, then you for multiply you can use star.
So E is actually the column, is it? Row. E.
E is column.
E is.
E is column.
E is column.
And 17
E is
row.
column and 17 is row.
Oh, okay.
And if you want to divide this, then you enter here divide. That is basic. Everyone knows. I think everyone knows about this. And introduction of functions. How we can here we can enter. If we enter Alt plus this side, then it will automatically auto the formula. So here I have entered the Alt plus sum. That is automatically sum this. Nothing we have to do. Okay. That is auto sum. That is auto sum. If we are going to auto sum, then we can use
The
this.
last one is count.
Alt plus this one. Alt plus this one. Alt and this. If you
Alt equal to
Alt
for sum.
That is for sum.
Please scroll up. The last one, the last one was for count.
If you want to count, then you can write here
Count.
count.
5.
That is 5 count. If you remove one, then count will automatically go down. And that is average formula. If you calculate any average, then you write down here AVG average and take it 42 average. Just like school mein, in schooling
We
we
have
have
to write the
average.
average.
Okay, how much average, how much percentage do you get? We said 42% of that. Same here. You can copy paste here. That is average function. That is minimum maximum. If you find out any minimum value or maximum value, you can find out from Excel. There is a simple formula. 20 is the minimum value in this column. Same as max, you can write here max.
So what are you finding out now? What is this for?
That is the minimum value of
Minimum
this
value of the
Okay.
range.
Minimum value is 20.
Uh-huh.
We can find out from a formula. Same here, maximum value is 50. We can find out from there. So
It is useful where we have a lot of entries and we cannot scroll one by one and check which is minimum or
And what is the
maximum.
formula you put for that?
Min
min,
equal to
Okay.
min and max.
MIN, then we have to give the range.
And that is the auto. If anybody want to learn Excel, that is auto update from MS Excel. You can click here and just everything is there. How you can select the value, how you can put the formula. That is very helpful. Maybe from last 2 years this will available. Otherwise we have to. Otherwise we have to go to Google to find out the formula. How we can use and how this will implement in our practice. And that is date and time formula. If you want to put any today date, there is two type of formula. You can put today, and then that is today automatically appear. And you can shortcut is if you put control plus
colon, semicolon.
Then automatically I am here putting control plus this. That automatically will find out the today value. Now here is the today date. That is the today date, 21 March 2030. And here is your birthday. If you find your how many days you are right now, how many days. So you can type here your date of birth. I am 14,565 days old.
14,000?
14,000?
Normally, in a year, you have only 365 days.
That is the days, not a days until your
Okay,
birthday.
okay.
Days. If you find out how old you are, then you can divide here
365.
by 365.
39.
Now you can say I am 39 years plus 3 months old. And that is the bill due date. If we find the 20 days bill due date of the
Grace period of the
grace period of the bill due date, if we write here 15, then you update here how much is the grace period. You can fill
So by this date you have to pay all the
dues.
dues.
If you find current time, then you have to put down this formula. Control plus shift plus double semicolon. That is the current time. I don't wrote any formula and anything. And
So remember, this is not the colon, this is semicolon.
हाँ semicolon.
But यहाँ पे आपका वो आ रहा है ना.
This is semicolon.
You-
This is colon. This is colon.
But the formula is control plus semicolon.
No. Control shift plus semicolon. Write down control shift plus semicolon.
No.
Excel में
If you press the key, it will enter semicolon, not the colon. एक बार ऐसे टाइप करो.
Okay. I
As a
understand
type.
what are you saying? I understand. You are
as a
saying
type.
this one.
नहीं
No,
shift
this one. This
Yes.
one.
This is the formula actually.
What is this
Semicolon.
Semicolon.
Colon.
The earlier one colon.
Then we can write down here current time and time that is daily work hours. At what time you come and at what time you out, how many hours you do your job. Mainly 8 hours for every year job period.
Working hours.
Working hours.
Working hours, yes.
That is the joining. How we can join? We can easily join this and this. Sorry.
Comma.
No. Concatenate with
Concatenate.
this text, and we can write here if we want. Same like above. Only control D. But there is a formula. If we write here Nancy Smith, if we write here Nancy, this is a simple formula. Nancy and if we find only we have to push control plus E. Control plus, if you write select this one and select empty cell also, then you take control plus E, then he will take only first number of the first name of the people. Control plus E.
He get the data from the F column.
Automatically
Automatically, right
it
column
will put only the first name.
right column of if we remove this, nothing. Yeah, we are writing here Nancy. Nancy. Now select all this and control E.
डाटा उठाना था right?
Yeah, but this will add first column always. First name he pick the first name, but he pick also the second name also. There is some gap. I will update it. And there is a if number. If means if you want to any query. If you put any query, if this number is greater than this, then this will add
Logical function.
logical function. And that is VLOOKUP. Everyone knows without VLOOKUP we can't work any organization if we don't know about VLOOKUP, HLOOKUP, multiple lookups. I think everyone knows. Can I write down here? We look up this one and we have to put this and we have to block this area, cells and 2 and this one. Apple means 50. If we scroll down here, 60. If we taken anything, same as here also, we can. But range is, we have to remove the range. We can drop. For beginners, this will so helpful. My suggestion is please use this. And how you can put down this scroll on, anyone knows? Maybe Jay, you know how we can use this scroll down.
Alt down.
All down. Nothing is there. You have to go to this side and you have to go data and
अच्छा वो validation.
data validation.
Data validation. Validation ये छोटे छोटे बने हुए हैं.
सबसे कौन
Text को
सर लास्ट वन लास्ट में सेकंड लास्ट लास्ट लाइन में सेकंड लास्ट सर
Yeah.
Data tools.
हाँ.
That is
data tool में जाओ and ये symbol है ना ये वाला देखो नीचे वाला
No,
नीचे वाला
Ah, yeah, this one. This one. You can select a list and you can click here and you can select this and enter and OK.
and
Now here is your list.
your drop down list.
You can select anyone. I forgot a formula in data validation. If you have a list of UP, if you select UP, then only UP state will find out. If you select MP, then MP state will find out. And that formula is I forgot the name.
Match.
No, match. I forgot the name. I update to that will very helpful.
So that is possible
We
by
can-
combination
how
of
we
two.
can-
दो combination में.
There is two combination. First we select here UP. Just I write down by how it will work. That is UP and that is MP. Okay. And we are going to like Kanpur and Aligarh and here Indore and Bhopal. Now we have to drop down of this one. First drop down of this data and data validation list, prepare a list. Now select both. Now OK. Now you can type here UP. And here is the one drop down also, which is belongs to this one.
See, let me show you.
And
मेरा वाला देखो, ठीक है? Organic rice,
Yeah.
ठीक है? This is organic rice, ठीक है? And these are the parameters,
Yes.
ठीक है? This is static, and this is the value, ठीक है? If I select any other product, ठीक है? Then all these parameters it will also change and the rate
but there is
will
a
also
formula. There
change.
is a formula in data
Yes.
validation or there
Yes.
is a VLOOKUP.
यहाँ पे फॉर्मूला है ठीक है VLOOKUP का
That is a VLOOKUP, na? That's why I'm saying.
इधर पे इतना बड़ा फॉर्मूला है, if error वाला पूरा फॉर्मूला
No,
है.
I
Offset वाला भी है. Offset function is also there.
there is a function, I forget the name, but I update all of you. There is a we can select here custom, and then here is a formula. I forget the actual name. If you select this, then if you select here UP, then only you can see a drop down of only Kanpur and Aligarh. If you select here
Index वाला भी हो सकता है.
I will update. That is a
So let's do it after this meeting.
I will share with all of you.
You can also say I'll let you know.
drop down.
I will let you know
Hmm.
how it will work for what is the sorry
Dependent drop down.
Dependent, हाँ यही वाला.
dependent
drop down.
also so my from my side you all have to
Sir, some
sum if is also a very easy formula. It's just like a sum if.
Sum if is
I will show you how you can.
so when the pivot tool was not
Sum
available
if-
in this, so people used
Sum
to
if, that is the range.
use this formula.
That
Sum
is the
if.
range, and we are saying ki what is the criteria?
Criteria.
Criteria. So we are saying ki greater than 30. Greater than 30 केवल 40 ही है.
Hmm.
कि केवल जो 30 से ज्यादा है ना उसको सम करें. तो 30 से ज्यादा क्या है ना, केवल एक 40 है उसको उसमें सम कर लेंगे. समझ रहे? नहीं तो ये अगर हम सम लगाते तो 80 दिखाता. That is 80. We are saying कि above 30. If we are saying कि below 30, then it will also 40. Because below 30 there are three numbers which add is 40.
Hmm.
We are saying 20 or 10. Oh, sorry. 20. There are only two numbers which is, if we select here equal to or equal to and greater than.
Equal to
Greater than करेगा ना equal to pass.
Yes.
20.
20 and 20 से बड़ा. So it means 20 and 20 से बड़ा. If there are two values only.
So which add up to 6.
Sum if and count if both are work same.
Hmm.
Everyone maybe practice, and if anyone has any query, then I will update by.
And then. Okay.
Okay, that is from my side. Thank
Okay.
you. Thank you.
Thank you, Ram.